How smart are you? To answer that question as realistically as possible, you might try to find out your IQ. For many years, IQ, intelligence quotient, has been used to rate intelligence. You take a series of tests and receive a number, your IQ. The higher the number, the higher your IQ. Shakira has an IQ of 140, which almost makes her genius. Bill Gates' IQ is said to be between 160 and 170, easily a genius. Most of us, though, have an IQ of between 85 and 115. According to this system, intelligence is easy to quantify. But one theory suggests that calculating intelligence is a lot more complicated. It is Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences. Gardner's theory first appeared in 1983 in his book, Frames of Mind, The Theory of Multiple Intelligences. The theory proposes that there is not just one intelligence, but 8 or more intelligences that we all have to a greater or lesser extent. These intelligences are located in different parts of the brain, but sometimes work together. Gardner says, everything that we do involves the brain, and so it's to be expected that different kinds of activities involve different brain areas. How could it not be the case? Gardner identifies 8 multiple intelligences: spatial, bodily kinesthetic, musical, linguistic, logical mathematical, interpersonal, intrapersonal, and naturalistic. Each intelligence is a skill which people are good at. For example, a dancer may not have a high IQ, but according to Gardner, that does not mean she is not intelligent. She has bodily kinesthetic intelligence. She has the ability to move her body on a stage where the movements she makes create a performance. Of course, we don't just have one intelligence. We have all of the various intelligences to some extent. It's just that we usually excel at just one. Gardner's theory has far-reaching implications for how we rate intelligence, as well as how and what we learn. It's not enough these days to just present information and expect students to take it in. Educators must activate each intelligence to reach everyone in the classroom. That means employing a variety of different teaching techniques from which all the students can learn. For example, linguistic intelligences prefer hearing, saying, or seeing words, whereas musical intelligences respond to music. In this case, a combination of memorizing song lyrics might work well for both groups. Adapting a learning situation to include all the intelligences is undoubtedly a challenge. However, it is one that teachers must rise to. Everyone is intelligent in their own way. So let me rephrase the question I started with. What type of smart are you?